At Vellinge, doing more with less is part of our DNA, and we are happy to see that flooring and wall panel producers and distributors are embracing that same view. Vellinge has therefore created a revolutionary technology to lower your environmental impact on LVT, SPC and WPC products. The technology is called Lightback, and it will enable producers and distributors to use raw material in a more efficient way, enable a more efficient and sustainable supply chain, and reduce your product's environmental impact. Let me show you how it works. Lightback is a technology that enables you to cut grooves on the backside of your products, making them lighter. The removed material can then be led back into production, making new products. Let's see the difference. Here's a package of SPC without Lightback. And here's one with Lightback. Lightback allows you to reduce the product weight up to 20%. This enables you to make your current product portfolio lighter or to utilize the mechanical benefits of a thicker product but with the same weight as a thinner one. For example, a 5mm product with Lightback will have the same weight as a regular 4mm product but with more beneficial mechanical properties. The products can be sold with the grooves visible or with the pre-attached foam, all depending on your preferences and customer needs. Vellinge has, together with leading machinery suppliers, developed the Lightback grooving unit. It can be installed in your factory either inline of your current profiling unit or as a standalone unit. The Lightback grooving unit allows you to create the grooves on the backside of your panel and run the production as efficient as possible. The grooving unit removes material from the backside of the panel with a rotating carving tool consisting of several cutting blades. When running, the panel is fed into the machine and the carving tool moves vertically to cut only in the specified area. The vertical movement of the carving tools allows you to preserve your locking system and allows for different design and number of jumps on the panel. In addition, with spaces in the carving tools, the groove design can be customized even further, all to optimize the weight reduction and the performance of your product. The material that is removed can be transferred to the factory's recycling system where the particle size is reduced. It is then transferred back to the production and mixed with virgin material to make more products. The recycling system can be different depending on factory, and Vellinge are happy to be a speaking partner in the implementation to find the best solution for each customer. When we get a request from a customer interested in Lightback, we run their material in one of our Lightback grooving units, either in Viken, Sweden, or in Kunshan, China. The material is then evaluated according to the current industry standard to assure good product performance, but at the same time maximize the material saving. The initial tests we performed during the evaluation are product weight, dimension stability in curling, residual indentation, static load, and cast a share. This enables us to give a recommendation about the product, potential modifications, and how to continue with the implementation of LightBack. At our laboratories, we have the experience and capacity to perform a large array of tests to support our customers. We have customers that have implemented LightBack or are currently implementing technology. If this technology is beneficial for you, we would be happy to schedule a meeting, evaluate your product, and help you implement. LightBack enables you to use raw material in a more efficient way, enable a more efficient and sustainable supply chain, and reduce your overall impact on the environment. As a LightBack licensee, we support you along the way, from initial evaluation to the commercialization of the finished product. Valley makes it possible for you to make more with less.